also track of the President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo Graduate Scholarships in Science and Technology, where each of MS and PhD have signed this morning. For her full support in providing the graduate scholarships in science and technology. We feel that we have a chance to compete in the global community with a lot of scholars accepting the challenge for enhancing their capability.
Batch would be from the Advanced Science and Technology Center.
And when I found out that you were going to sign your contracts today, I wanted to invite you here because I wanted to let you know that we are counting on you to be our marquee names for our R&D human resources. Congratulations and good luck.
Salamat sa snacks na
Yes. Oo, kasi mapunta kayo tanghalian eh. Okay.